Welcome back to part 2 of our tutorial. This tutorial we want to make and set the IPs for all the networks. So in order to do that, let me just make a good step here. Here we got a notes. So if you drag and drop a note into any place in the port, so if I come for example to this network, and let me just define a network here. Just want to make a notes for this network. So let me see 192.168 for example 30.0. Okay, this gotta be the IB for this network, and don't forget the slash number. I'm gonna or the network subnet mask. This, because we have two routers, it's enough to put it /30 or 255.255.255 dot 252. So instead you put /30. Okay, this is the first network. The other network gotta make here is 192 192.168. Let me just 168 let me say 10 0, and this gotta be /24. Okay, and the other network that we have here is 192.168 let me see 20 dot 0 and /24 also. And the third network that we're talking about here is 192.168.50.0. Okay, so we have this network. Okay, and also we have a different network. Also 192. Let me see 192.168 the for example 60.0, and also it's /24. This network, let me put it as a /30. Okay, /30. Okay, so here, as you can see here, we got 1 2 3 4 5 networks. What I'm gonna do right now is just setting the IPs for this network. As you can see here, we're using serial 010, and this is also 010 serial. We need to set everything to its place in this network. So for example, this is 192.168.30.0. This is gonna be 30.1. This is gonna be 30.2. Okay, and here we got 20.0. It's it's obvious that the 0 is for the network. The 1, you can say it's for the interface here. For example, if you want to set this to 1 192.168.20.1, this is for the gateway, and the other for the network. Okay, so let's do that. First thing, let me define the interfaces. So this is gonna be 30.1. Okay, and the other one is gonna be 30.2. So this is 30.2, and here we got 20.0. This is gonna be 20.1. Okay, and this one, okay, 20, this network is okay. This is gonna be 10.1 as a gateway. Okay, and what else? This one here is 50.1, so here we just put 50.1, and the other side we just put 50.2. Okay, here we go 50.2, and so let me assign the PC's IBs and the server. So here we got 192.168. Let me copy this. The 10.222, for example, for the server. So this is the IP for the server. For the BC0, it's gonna be the 100, and for the other one, the BC1, is gonna be the 10.101, so 101. Okay, and for the BC4, it's gonna be 192.168.60.100, and for the BC5, it's gonna be the 60, the 101. You can change any value, but this is how I used to, define the network. This was 192.168.20.100, and this is 101. Okay, the 100, I'm sorry, 20, the 101. Okay, let me make sure everything is fine. Okay, the network is almost completed with the subnetting. Everything is fine, but here we missed the gateway. So if you bought 60, the one here for this interface. Okay, guys, so here we got all these devices connected to each other, but this is just an insight how to build this network. In the next tutorial, we want to make these IPs real. So we want to assign this network, this IP to this network, and this IP to this network, and this IP to this PC, and so forth. So see you in the next video.